Welcome back to my YouTube channel, World of Coin, where we continue. Let us begin by understanding the background of the Philippine currency system and how it evolved to the point where the 25 Sentimo 2002 coin became a product of both economic and national change. The Philippine peso has a long and complex history that traces its roots back to the Spanish colonial period, during which various forms of currency circulated, including silver reales, Mexican pesos, and other foreign coins, as the Philippines moved toward its independence and later established its own monetary authority. A more stable and nationally representative coinage system was introduced to support the economic growth of the country and the aspirations of its people. The Banco Central ng Pilipinas, or BSP, is the central bank responsible for issuing currency in the Philippines, established in 1949. The BSP has undergone several major transformations over the decades, with each period of reform bringing changes in coin design, materials, denomination, and security features. The 25 Sentimo coin in particular has seen multiple versions since it was first introduced as part of the decimal currency system in the early 1990s. The BSP launched the Improved Flora and Fauna series, which was designed to promote the country's natural heritage and the diversity of its native flora and fauna. Each coin in this series featured a plant or animal species indigenous to the Philippines. The 25 Sentimo coin from the 1990s carried the image of the Philippine butterfly known as the Paranticosita nidai, also known as the chocolate tiger butterfly. This butterfly was selected not just for its beauty but for its symbolism of biodiversity and ecological balance. By the late 1990s and early 2000s, the BSP shifted its focus to a new series known as the BSP Coin Series. This was introduced to replace the Flora and Fauna series and featured a more modern look and a shift in design philosophy rather than focusing on plants and animals. The BSP Coin Series emphasized the institution of the central bank itself, showcasing the official seal of the BSP on one side of each coin, including the 25 Sentimo coin. The 25 Sentimo 2002 coin falls under the BSP Coin Series and was minted with specific goals in mind. Simplicity, durability, and security were top priorities for the central bank. The coin was made of brass-plated steel, giving it a golden color that set it apart from the lower denominations such as the 10 Sentimo and 5 Sentimo, which was smaller and had different metallic compositions. The size, weight, and color of the 25 Sentimo coin were carefully chosen to ensure easy identification by the public, especially those with visual impairments. One of the distinguishing features of the 25 Sentimo 2002 coin is the obverse design, which displays the profile of Juan Luna, one of the Philippines' most celebrated artists and revolutionaries. Juan Luna is best known for his masterpiece, the Spoliarium, a dramatic painting that symbolizes Filipino. To begin understanding the one-piso 2004 coin, we must first explore the broader historical context in which this coin was minted. During the early 2000s, the Philippines was undergoing a variety of changes economically, socially, and politically. The country was recovering from the Asian financial crisis, which had impacted much of Southeast Asia in the late 1990s. The government was working to stabilize the economy, increase foreign investment, and improve the country's financial systems. As part of these reforms, the Banco Central ng Pilipinas, or BSP, continued efforts to modernize the nation's coinage system, ensuring better quality, more durable coins, and improved designs that reflect the values and heritage of the Filipino people. The one-piso 2004 coin belongs to the BSP Coin Series, which was introduced in 1995 and circulated for several years before being replaced by the new generation currency coin series in 2018. The BSP coin series featured updated designs with national heroes on the obverse side and various national symbols on the reverse. The one-piso coin specifically featured the portrait of Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines whose contribution to Philippine independence and national identity is monumental. Jose Rizal was a writer, intellectual, and reformist whose works, Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, sparked a sense of nationalism among Filipinos under Spanish colonial rule. His image on the one-piso coin symbolizes patriotism, intelligence, and courage. The obverse side of the one-piso 2004 coin bears his portrait facing left with the inscriptions Republica ng Pilipinas, Jose Rizal, and the minting year 2004. Encircling it, this design was intended to instill pride in Filipino heritage and to educate the public about the nation's heroes. On the reverse side of the coin we find the official seal of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. This logo represents the authority of the central bank, which is responsible for maintaining monetary stability. The reverse design is clean and modern, symbolizing a progressive Philippine economy and a forward-looking financial system. The denomination one-piso is clearly marked, emphasizing the coin's value for daily commerce. The one-piso 2004 coin is made of nickel-plated steel, giving it a silver-like appearance. It has a diameter of approximately 24 millimeters and weighs around 5.35 grams. Its round shape and reeded edge give it a classic and recognizable look in terms of minting quality. The coin was struck with high precision, ensuring durability and resistance to wear. Even with frequent circulation, this quality helped the coin remain in good condition for years and allowed it to serve its purpose in the Philippine economy effectively. In the early 2000s, coins played an essential role in the Philippine monetary system. Despite the growing popularity of digital transactions, coins like the one-piso were vital for everyday purchases such as public transportation, street food, and small retail transactions. The availability and examining the history of five-piso coins in general, we see that the denomination first appeared in coin form in 1975 under the Filipino coinage series, which was then followed by the Flora and Fauna series in the 1980s. The 1990s saw the introduction of the improved Flora and Fauna series before the BSP series arrived in 1995. The five-piso coin featuring Emilio Aguinaldo debuted in 1995 and continued through the early 2000s, including the 2002 version we are focusing on today. This consistency in design speaks to the long-standing admiration for Aguinaldo as a national figure and the importance of preserving historical identity through coinage. In 2002, the Philippine economy was recovering from the financial turmoil of the late 1990s, which had affected many Asian countries. During this time, the government emphasized economic reforms, anti-corruption campaigns, and infrastructure projects. The issuance of coins like the five-piso reflected efforts to modernize the economy and maintain a stable monetary system. This coin circulated during a time of digital transition and financial innovation, making it both a historical artifact and a tool for economic exchange. Collectors and numismatists value the five-piso 2002 coin for its clean design, clear inscriptions, and historical relevance. Many also seek it as part of a complete BSP series coin collection. With time, the coin has become a reminder of a particular era in Philippine history, an era defined by political challenges, national rebuilding, and the reinforcement of cultural pride. There are also variations and conditions that affect the value of the five-piso 2002 coin in the collector's market. Coins that are uncirculated or in mint condition can be worth more, especially if they are graded by professional numismatic organizations. Coin grading assesses the coin's surface quality, strike, and overall appearance. Coins with mint errors such as misstrikes, double dies, or off-center images are also highly sought after as rare anomalies that increase a coin's desirability. The legacy of the 5-piso coin continued beyond 2002, as new designs were later introduced under the new generation currency coin series in 2017. In this new series, the 5-piso coin was redesigned to feature Andres Bonifacio, another revolutionary hero, replacing Emilio Aguinaldo. The coin was also changed in size, weight, and shape to improve its security features and make it more distinguishable from other denominations. This change marked the end of the Emilio Aguinaldo design era. But the 5-piso 2002 coin remains an enduring symbol of its time. The 5-piso 2002 coin also serves an educational purpose. It introduces young Filipinos to important national figures and events and provides a tangible connection to the past. Through its design and daily use, it communicates themes of independence, responsibility, and the value of preserving national memory. This is why many teachers, numismatists, and historians regard coins not just as currency but as tools for storytelling and nation